Who's a nice stranger you met once and will never forget? During a work trip where I ended up sitting in economy class, next to a woman who gave off a warm, housewife vibe. At first, I thought she'd be kind, but not particularly interesting. After a while, we started talking, and it turned out she wasn't just nice, she was a doctor. But not just any doctor. She was a professor at Harvard Medical School, specializing in brain cancer surgeries. What made her unforgettable was her recent experience volunteering in mainland China. She had organized funding for a surgery for a young girl in an orphanage who had lost sight in one eye and was about to lose it in the other. After the surgery was a success, the doctor asked what would happen to the girl next. She was told the girl would return to the orphanage, where she would face harsh conditions. Without hesitation, the doctor decided to adopt her. That act of kindness and compassion left an indelible impression on me, and I'll never forget her story.